Voila, introducing the latest in-car technology. Get ready to experience the ultimate convenience and connectivity with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto 9.3 portable car stereo. This state-of-the-art system comes equipped with a 4K ADAS dashcam, phone mirroring, aux/FM speaker Bluetooth, 32.8 feet backup camera, and voice control. Are you a car enthusiast or a tech enthusiast? Then this product review and demonstration is just for you. We'll be showcasing the key features and functionality of this innovative car stereo system, designed to elevate your driving experience to a whole new level. Let's dive into the main features of the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto 9.3 portable car stereo. From wireless connectivity to the advanced ADAS dashcam, phone mirroring, and voice control, this system has it all. Stay tuned as we explore each feature in detail. Do you want to know how this car stereo system can transform your driving experience? We'll be demonstrating the seamless wireless connectivity, the crystal clear 4K ADAS dashcam, and the intuitive phone mirroring feature. Get ready to be amazed. But that's not all. The aux/FM speaker Bluetooth capabilities, along with a 32.8 feet backup camera and voice control, make this car stereo system a game changer. Stay with us as we uncover the full potential of this revolutionary technology. Have you found a lower price for this product? We value your feedback and strive to keep our prices competitive. If you've seen a lower price online or in store, please let us know. Your input helps us ensure that our customers always get the best value. To provide feedback on a lower price, simply sign in and fill out the details of where you saw the lower price, including the website URL or store name, price, shipping cost, and date of the price. Please click the link below to get more detail of the product. Cheers!